out there is good.
It looks awesome. Thank you, Keiichi. We're just holding cameras at everybody. Thank you. Hello everyone, Jacketing here. We've come back to Spaceport because we didn't build a new splitter, we just made this one even better. So Alex, would you like to walk us through some of the changes we did on the new splitter?
Just a few changes we made. So we're actually lowering the splitter 7/8 of an inch.
Oh.
So we added a little filler panel here just to fill between the splitter and the front lip that we put onto the car.
Even though it is very thin. Instead we just lower the whole entire splitter a little bit because the front of the car, if you see in the video, is quite high. We're trying to generate a little more downforce on the front. So lowering the splitter overall is going to help the tunnel, is going to help the entire front of downforce. And then of course there's these. What are these, Alex?
So these are end plates. On the end, they actually have a cone section integrated into them. So what it actually does is it collects the air that's running alongside the bumper.
Yep.
And at the end of it, it'll actually channel it into a vortex that'll run alongside the car.
Oh, so like it's a 3D shape.
Yes, very 3D.
Oh, so then it goes swirl, and then...
Exactly. So instead of it spilling off of the end plate, like a flat L-shaped end plate, it spills off, it goes under the car, which is not something you want to do.
Yep.
It'll vortex alongside the car almost all the way to the rear diffuser, which we don't have yet, or the rear wing.
That we gotta build soon.
Yeah, we'll get on that soon.
Okay, cool. Lovely. Oh, that is a pretty piece. We might need to trim a little bit just to fit within the rules, but it is a pretty piece. Love it. Thank you. It is a little bit dark outside because it is very late at night on a snowy Toronto Friday night. But the TA90 is looking absolutely gorgeous because we've just finished the vinyl, the entire wrap of the car. So now, not only does it have the side, the entire livery is done. We added some satin black on the back side of the car into this white stripe. Obviously, it's a very GR style. Followed into this massive kind of satin black again. Honestly, we wanted two pieces. But the Renaissance Red 2.0 is a very difficult color for the vinyl to wrap. So we couldn't actually get any red that actually matches it well enough. I'll put up a picture of something we did and it just looks a little off. So in the end we went without it. Just went to a satin black into the white stripe that I think is very characteristic. And the white front wing. It's not really a front wing, but man, doesn't make it look sharp. It just makes it look that much more aggressive. That is one of my ideas and I quite like that one. I honestly quite like it. But what I love the most is that the OE base model mirrors come in this satin plastic kind of finish. So we had the satin black here. Instead of the gloss black that's along for the A-pillar, we wrapped it in satin black as well. So look at this. The side skirt, you know, you have the plastic side skirt, it's kind of satin looking. Satin black mirror and satin black A-pillar. Beauty isn't the point of this car. It's supposed to go fast. But it is very important to look that good, isn't it? So, wait for the new splitter to go on. It's gonna really finish off the look. Test fit is done. Car's about to get dropped. Don't worry, we'll get rid of the double logos. We'll get rid of one of them. Yeah, look at that. So it is quite a bit lower because it used to sit right up against the edge, the bottom edge, right about, where's my finger? Right about there. And now it's quite a bit lower, along with an end plate. Whoa! I mean, it's still decently high.
Yeah, it's not on the ground. It was so high before.
Yeah, right?
It was like 4.5 inches before, so it's still over 3 inches, which is good.
That is an aggressive front. I quite like it.
I do too.
You shake it real quick? Yeah. Something's not quite right with the right front.
It's not like loosening, but I can turn it by hand, is how loose it is.
Oh, so it's just one of the ball joints are loose.
Possibly, yeah. You remember we tightened them at Buttonwillow?
I think, did we?
Yeah, I remember I did.
Okay.
So that's like a reoccurring problem.
We might need to Loctite or something, eh?
Maybe.
Okay, let's take the wheels off, maybe try and tighten it now?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, thank you.
I think so.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, the whole thing is like a little bit loose.
I don't know if I'll be able to tighten this with an adjustable.
Do you think this was like that at Buttonwillow?
Well, I remember tightening it at Buttonwillow, but maybe it came loose again.
Okay, that is something.
That's something we'll definitely need to look into.
So it's not that side, right? It's not the side towards the car that's loose. It's the side that's
Yeah, on the
knuckle.
yeah.
All right.
It seems alright.
This side's fine. Impromptu street photo shoot featuring Alex Page and a box tripod and a Chinese phone. Look at that. I think it's actually really great. That'll be a thumbnail image of the video. So good. So good.